Going back to the ozone shoe believers to get this one going. Get you guys a little bit of box action, let it focus. There we go. Move it out that light so you can read it. This shoe reads the Air Trainer 1 SP, light smoke gray and honeydew. Got a whole bunch of these just to complete up a couple of collections. So might as well get some for others. So, in case you're interested in any, let me know. Move this back. Get this light out. Materials on this shoe aren't bad. It's like a jean material. You got some translucent sides, so it gives you a little bit of color. Normal Nike back. If you like the Bo Jacksons or the Air Trainers, then you already know most of all this, probably already. I think I like the Travis Scott ones a little bit better, in my opinion, still. You guys go back, check out the Travis Scott ones on my channel. And your top view of the shoe. Side view. So this is reflective. I hope you guys can make it out. Very rare, weird shoe. They're good materials. Good shoe. Guys can look at the bottom. Guys, think of this one. Did you pick up a pair of these? Are you going to pick up a pair? You know, like I said, did you guys rather for the Travis Scott version? What do you think about this one? Know what shoes you guys are buying? Let me know what shoes you guys want to see on the channel next. Above all else, everybody stay safe and have a nice day.